Namaste. My name is Kritika Singh and I am a student of Lucknow University. I want to thank ABPP Lucknow for providing me with this opportunity where I can talk about an unsung warrior who deserves immense recognition not only in India but all over the world. Today, that is 24th of June, is known as Balidan Divas. This day is being named after Rani Durgavati and the sacrifices she made on the battlefield. Rani Durgavati was born on 15th October 1524 to the king of Chandel. She was an epitome of beauty, power, courage, and strength. She was as fierce as Ma Durga. She was infamous for all her qualities. As a result, she got married at an early age to the king Dilpat Shah. Unfortunately, he passed away just after 4 years of their marriage, leaving behind a 3-year-old son, Veer Narayan. After the death of her husband, she made her son to sit on the throne and she started to rule the kingdom with all her love. Her leadership was being applauded by so many scholars all over the world. Abul Fazl in the Akbari has written that during her leadership and rule, the Gondwana dynasty enjoyed immense wealth, power, and success that people used to give away gold coins and elephants just like that as gifts. During her kingdom, she had approximately 1400 elephants. Bal Bahadur Shah, who wanted to conquer her kingdom, attacked her, but he got defeated the very first time he attacked her. He again attacked her and again got defeated at the Katangi Ghati, wherein Rani Durgavati killed his uncle Fateh Khan. After a few years, Asam Khan, who had evil intentions towards Rani Durgavati and wanted to enslave her and present her in front of Akbar, attacked her. The background story was Asam Khan asked Rani Durgavati for her beloved elephant Sarman and her wazir Adhar Singh, which she refused, after which he attacked her. He also got defeated the very first time he attacked Rani Durgavati. But the second time he attacked Rani Durgavati, he had twice the number of armymen than he had the first time he attacked her. But at the Jabalpur Ghati, Rani Durgavati fought so courageously that she killed 3000 Mughal emperors. But she also faced immense loss of power and army. As a result, she got a little weaker. He again attacked her for the third time. This time, she knew that she didn't have enough power or army men to win against Asam Khan. As a result, she sent her son, Veer Narayan, to a safe place and fought all alone with Asam Khan. She was so fierce that she got injured by 3 arrows. One hit her shoulder, one summoned her eyes, and one her neck. Even after being injured so brutally and fatally, she fought all alone. But when she realized that there was no much time left for her to survive, she asked her wazir Adhar Singh to chop off her head, which he refused of. Then what she did was she took her own sword and killed herself so courageously that we all should be proud of her as a warrior. She was a lonely female warrior who, who, who ruled such a big dynasty with such an immense strength that her dynasty was infamous for the wealth she had, for the success she had. And today, we as a nation should applaud her for what she did, for the sacrifices she made, for standing all alone against a Mughal emperor. And this is our duty, and we should be thankful towards her, towards warriors like her, who has fought for us, who has fought for the name of her dynasty, for the name of her family. Today, she is not as recognized as other kings are. Like, for example, as much as Akbar is famous, we should stand up and raise our voices that yes. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and please share this video with all the. I want to thank you people for watching this video, and I want to request all of you people, all of you. At last, I want to thank you, and I want to request all of you to please share this story with your family and friends so that Rani Durgavati gets all the love she deserves and all the recognition she deserves. Today, we have a university after her name in Jabalpur that is known as Rani Durgavati Mahavishvidyalaya in Jabalpur. Thank you.